Hey guys, what's going on? So an update for you on just kind of where I'm at in crypto, my thoughts, and give you guys an update on a prophetic dream. I really do feel like I had a prophetic dream a couple nights ago. And funny enough, it actually matches up with my brother's dream that I shared with you guys last week about XRP going to $5. So basically, lately I've been feeling anxious. I'll admit, like, I would love to come on here, guys, and say, I'm a believer. The Lord's giving me so much peace in this market, and I'm not flinched, and that just isn't the truth. I have had a lot of anxiety lately, having some mentors and people that I've very much respected in the crypto community, sell all of their cryptocurrency, all their Bitcoin, all of their altcoins, and it's caused this anxiety to kind of form in me over the last couple weeks of just not knowing what to do, because I don't want to miss it. Maybe you guys are feeling the same thing. If these people are selling their cryptocurrency and that is the top, we have reached the top, then what are we doing holding? And I've gotten into this anxiety mode lately. Come here, bud. That's just been kind of taking me into a tailspin a little bit. So a couple brothers ended up calling me up and giving me some words and really just gave me peace in my soul. And I was praying like, Lord, can you please give me a dream, a vision? And when I was in anxiety, guys, I got nothing. I got nothing in anxiety. But I had this call with a brother and prophesied over me, and I finally found peace. And that night that I went to bed, this was 2 nights ago, I had a dream about XLM. It was the clearest dream I've ever had about cryptocurrency. And I don't know if I can explain this to you guys, but like, I knew that I knew that I knew I was looking at XLM, not XRP, nothing else. It was XLM. Let me switch hands here for a second. In this dream, I saw XLM go down, because right now there's this formation forming where the price has shot up on XLM and it's creating what's called the descending triangle pattern. I saw price break support and clear out all long stop losses. Like anybody who was trying to trade off that support that we're seeing right now and set stop losses low, they were all taken out. And in the dream, I saw pretty much in my dream, I saw how far it went down. I'm not trying to say this is how far it's going to go down, but I saw it go down, and I looked on my chart before I looked at price, and I said, that's the spot where I saw it. And I looked at price, and it was right around the 32 to 33 cent mark, is what I saw in my dream, okay? After it went down there, and I saw it move down, it started racing back upwards towards the top, and it went past the previous high, just past the previous high that we've created this, in November of 2024. I went past that high just a little bit and then stopped. Now, I could see in my dream how far price went above. I couldn't see a price, but I could see like the space. And so I opened up my chart the next morning, and I didn't look at the price action to the right side of the chart. I just said, all right, let me look at this objectively and say, where was that gap? I looked at that gap. Price in my dream stopped exactly at 67 cents. Okay, that's where I saw it. I didn't see it go higher or lower. All I felt was as the price was going up, it was like I remember like in the dream I was scrambling to get my phone for Coinbase, and I was like, I gotta get out. Like this is a move we need to take some profits on. And so I say that to say I don't know if this is like I'm very leery, guys, to ever say thus saith the Lord. Like I get so nervous about that. But I find it interesting that after I finally found peace inside, and I didn't pray for a dream, and I just said, Lord, I trust you. I trust that you're going to show me what I need to see, because I'm in anxiety right now. And I was completely at peace before bed. I feel like that was a gift that he almost gave me to kind of see what might be coming. And the thing was I was about to sell, 500,000 units of XLM. That day, I literally had a full video recorded. I was about to click the sell button. As I was actually going down on my finger to click the sell button, my wife actually walked into the room right at that moment, and I stopped. And I don't know if it was the Lord that sent her in there, but I just couldn't execute. And so I am thinking that was a prophetic dream, and I think there is another leg up here for XLM, because if you look at the past chart cycles, we are technically, based off the pattern, supposed to go back down to about 11 cents right now. But if we start shooting back up, guys, it will be one of the biggest short squeezes. It will be the biggest short squeeze XLM has ever seen. So I'm like, okay, my brother got a dream about XLM going up to $5. That was last week. And now I have a dream about XLM reaching past its previous high. which is around 67 cents or so. And so I have taken and decided not to continue my selling spree. I sold $296,000 last week. I sold a trade that I made over 1,500% on. I've been holding it since 2023. So yeah, I want to give you guys an update. If you guys made it this far, I'm going to be talking about something tomorrow, Tuesday, in the future forecast. And it's going to be talking to you guys about milestones. And I feel like the Lord really put this on my heart. If we are going to see XRP jump to $5, XLM jump to 67 cents, I think we need to take some profit on this run. And so I've built this app with AI I think it's pretty cool, that actually shows you guys the different milestones you can reach in life with finance. Because a lot of times what we do is we see these markets go up and we just are like, it's going to the moon, and the moon is always further than you think. And so what if we had a spreadsheet to show us these like check marks that we could go through, and they're like checkpoints. When you guys used to play those racing games, they're like checkpoint, checkpoint. Different things you can accomplish in life based off the profits you can realize this cycle. And I want to show you guys how to actually realize profit and change your life, because I'm already doing it myself. I've taken out $333,000 out of the market, and that's a decent chunk about what I put in there. So I hope this inspires some of you guys. It's not financial advice, but I just feel like there's more to come this cycle. It's not done. I don't feel like it's done, guys. Even though there's big guys selling crypto right now, I don't feel like altcoins are done just yet. And I don't think it's a coincidence that I received that dream and my brother received it. So I'm leaning into that right now. And I will explain and show you guys everything I'm doing in the future forecast tomorrow. You guys know there's links in the description. There's no coupon code necessary. Just go ahead and click that. So yeah, besides that, I'm working with an injury. I was spinning the kids around the other day and completely pulled my arm out, and I've got this golf ball size lump on the end of my, what is that called? Wow, I'm sorry. Maybe I should edit this part out. At the end of my elbow, and it is like in massive pain. So I'm taking it slow. I'm getting rid of anxiety in my life, and I'm just trusting God that He's going to give us what we need on time, because this cycle's like no other cycle. And it kind of doesn't make sense, if I'm being honest with you guys. I've been in this industry for 10 years. This cycle doesn't make sense. And I think we're going to break cycles. Yeah, hope this helps, guys. And I will chat with you and see you guys tomorrow in the future forecast. Links are in the description. Bye, guys.